Heavy rains and severe weather cause havoc in parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And scattered heavy rain and severe weather threaten much of the country today. Those stories plus in-depth forecasts and analysis on today's edition of WeatherScope.
Well, good afternoon to you. Rich Johnson here at Jim Cantori, and today, almost like yesterday, Jim, where there's quite a few thunderstorms, and we were here yesterday when some of those tremendous thunderstorms formed, some near St. Louis, but probably the worst ones near Philadelphia.
Yeah, I couldn't believe some of the rainfall amounts that we've seen up there, and we'll take a look at those in just a minute. But police say 2 people drowned in flooding in Pennsylvania. Bucks County was very hard hit.
The sounds of disaster, the wailing of rescue units desperately trying to help. At this road, now a river, firemen trying to reach a woman who suffered a stroke. Her daughter stands by helplessly.
I don't know. I hope not. I really hope not. Pray.
Firemen had to find a boat to go around. Still no word on the victim.
Right along here is what collapsed.
This building, Gold's Gym, the roof collapsed. A possible explosion. People trapped.
Everybody was really panicking, just trying to get out of the way for the firemen, because there was apparently a fire in the boiler room.
No injuries, but a lot of damage. Trees blown down, but the road's a real problem. Cars stranded. The high water mark at the windows. People pushing to high ground.
All over Bucks County, actually in lower Makefield, where the roads are completely blocked, covered with water, complete trees down, most of the power out.
The Langhorne Mall, no electricity, no customers, people waiting out of the stores. A flood here too, more damage. People trying to mop up to keep ahead of the water.
Tiring, scary, but it happened this close to home.
Heavy rain, 4 hours and counting, everywhere. People stranded, no electricity, no gas, nowhere to go.
Well, I tell you, weather can be living hell, can it? I'm telling you. Localized flooding, here's New Jersey, into Pennsylvania, Ewing, New Jersey, 7.1, Lawrenceville, in Chamonix Falls, 5 inches, and I mean, again, folks, Rich and I were talking, we were standing here in the Weather Channel yesterday just watching this stuff develop and just sitting there. I mean, it just sat there and sat there. I left at 10 after 5. Rich was still here at 6:30. He was saying, that stuff was still there. It was still hammering away. So, incredible day. Not to mention we had lightning strikes. Look at this. 1 person injured and 1 fatally injured in Barry, Vermont yesterday. Kingsbury, New York, 1 injured there. Grover, North Carolina. Marlboro Township, Saratoga Springs, New York. Got to be careful this time of the year, folks. Some big